In AP we are producing only live birds, live broiler birds, and we sell them through wholesalers. When compared to other birds available in the market, the Saguna birds we give at younger age. So it is younger, tender, better. This is our marketing slogan says. And our mission is also enhancing customer value through delight. Saguna chicken yields more meat when compared to competitive birds. At least 0.5 to 1% more chicken it comes, and it is more tasty. And meat quality is also better, it is preferred by customers. That is the reason Saguna chicken always gets premium of 50 paisa to 1 rupee on live birds. And remaining other products, we have a frozen unit in Coimbatore. We are getting Saguna fresh, that is fresh chilled and frozen chicken from Coimbatore and supplying to outlets and big malls in Hyderabad. We have various products, and we also have Saguna eggs. They are specially designed eggs are there. They are also they are available in various malls around Hyderabad. And to give better quality and to have more nutritious chicken, we have started a feed plant, big feed plant around Tupran. That is Asia's biggest feed plant. That is pellet crumble feed, and which is expected to commence its activity by September of this year. After that, our chicken quality is going to be much better. And we wish that we continue to grow further, since we are modernizing our facilities and we are going to give better chicken and more customer friendly. And we are improving our services. We conduct frequently trader meetings, farmer meetings. We take feedback and we serve them up to their expectations. And we tune our all the processing and growing charges, hatching expense, all those things based on inflation and market needs. We always emphasize our farmers to dedicate more themselves to the farm management. During winter, they pay more attention by spending some more money on coal and other things to provide additional heat, and for which we are giving additional incentive of 25 paisa per kg. And similarly, in summer also, with the available resource of water and power, they should try to reduce temperature inside house and increase humidity, which will only help them to grow better chicken in a faster way, so that gives them more money. And farmer attention is more required during summer, because an hour or half an hour of water problem or anything causes heavy loss to them. So we always emphasize farmers to pay more attention during these adverse climatic conditions. And they have to follow whatever our team advises about vaccination, medication for prevention of diseases, and they have to maintain biosecurity, the people, movement of people, trucks from one farm to other, spreading of respiratory diseases. They should have more hygiene and biosecurity principles. They should follow our instructions, whatever communications we give. If they follow sincerely, definitely they will have better results.